Straight out to Anne Bremner, criminal defense attorney and attorney for Friends of Amanda Knox. Gotta ask you this, Anne. If potential jurors see this movie, could they get it into their heads that Amanda is guilty as she's been convicted of being?
No doubt, guilty as charged. That's the verdict from this movie. I mean, not only does it have this tone of her being basically a vacant, staring sociopath as opposed to kind of a wide-eyed, naive girl from Seattle. The tone is terrible. But then there's so many falsehoods in the movie, everything from walking a red carpet at court and waving to people when she actually went in through the back, to being at the scene and running away, committing the murder. It's on the movie. But also her being connected with the person, the sole murderer, Rudy Gaudet, before the fact, partying with him, etc. And starting out as Foxy Knoxy out here in Seattle, working in a bar in a tube top, showing cleavage, when that was her nickname as a kid. She wasn't old enough to work in a bar before she went to Italy. She worked 3 jobs. She went from a college student to a prisoner in Italy. And I'll tell you one more thing, Jane, I could go on and on about this, is the fact that she was so pilloried in the press in the UK and Italy. It's far worse right here in the United States of America in this movie.
Well, there are some major discrepancies between what is in this movie and what many say are the facts of the case. I mean, who knows what the heck happened in that room? Nobody else was there but the victim and who knows who else, depending on who you believe. But here's the original trailer from Lifetime.com. Now, in the movie, Meredith Kercher is wearing only a bra and panties as she's attacked with a knife, but in reality, she was fully dressed like she'd just gotten home. At another point, Meredith is shown cuddling in a bed with drifter Rudy Gaudet, who's also been convicted of her murder, is doing time right now. And in reality, it's believed that they never had any kind of romantic relationship. His bloody handprint was found on a pillow under her body. Also in the movie, Amanda is shown in the room during the attack, and investigators, even the prosecutors, never found any sign, according to her defenders, that Amanda was actually in the room. So, Jay Wendell Gordon.
Yes.
The supporters of Amanda Knox are saying the film, the Lifetime movie, and by the way, we tried to reach Lifetime. We're unable to get in touch with them. They're invited on anytime to explain their movie and to say their side of the story. But friends of Amanda Knox say this is really fiction, that it's not facts as proven in court.
I don't think they ever said the movie was supposed to be factual. They said it's based on a true story. So the underlying basis of the movie is supposed to be based on some of the things that happened in that trial. Why are we crying about Amanda Knox? Amanda Knox originally abused the Congolese man Patrick Lumumba for these horrible crimes. He actually served some time in jail and was released shortly thereafter, and he's suing Amanda Knox for defamation. So now Amanda Knox gets her just desserts because perhaps she may be defamed in a film. Well, turnabout is fair play.
On the other side of the break, another viewpoint and your calls.